This is our satellite, the Eye of Space. We have a download speed of 150 megabits per day, which means each day we receive around 15 seconds of footage. With a 360 camera, we don't need to worry about adjusting the angle once it's in space. We can just reframe the footage afterward. Getting a satellite wasn't the hardest part. It was modifying the cameras to survive the conditions in space. The satellite orbits the Earth every 90 minutes, shuttling between countless sunrises and sunsets. When the camera is not facing the sun, there's no heat source at all. When it rotates back towards the sun, it has to withstand extreme temperatures of between -22 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. We used our company's equipment to simulate a thermal vacuum environment with test conditions even harsher than space. Our engineers had to completely modify the camera's circuit board, hardware, software, and shell. After months of hard work, we had 2 prototypes ready for space.